এটা আমি আজকে আনবক্সিং করে দেখাবো এবং এর ভেতর কি কি আছে এবং পুরো লিংক এবং এটা ওয়েবসাইট লিংকটাও আমি ডিসক্রিপশনে দিয়ে দিব। ল্যাপটপটা অনেক থিন, যখন আমি ইন্টারনেটে দেখছিলাম অনেক ভালো লাগছে, ডিজাইনটা অনেক সুন্দর। এটা আমি অনেক সস্তায় পাইছি, কোয়ালিটিটা অনেক ভালো। হ্যাঁ, this is a green solid inside, green plastic. এই তো ল্যাপটপটা খুব ইজি না? আর ভেতরে আরেকটা প্রোটেক্টেড প্লাস্টিকও দিয়েছে, খুব আজব না? এই তারপরে এখানে ইন্ট্রোডাকশন লিস্ট, এটা কেমনে খুলতে হয়, কেমনে কি সব কিছু, এটা ম্যানুয়াল আর কি দিছে, যে ম্যানুয়াল আপনি কেমনে সেট আপ করবেন হয়তোবা। এখানে দিচ্ছে একটা পাওয়ার কোড এবং তার সাথে এটা কি এখন তারটা কত সুন্দর থিন এবং নম্র। এখানে এর সঙ্গে একটা হলুদ কালার দিয়েছে, খুব একটা স্পেশাল না, তারপরে অনেক আকর্ষণীয়। পাওয়ার কোড এবং ব্যাটারি দুইটাই পেয়ে গেছি। এখন আমাদের মেন প্যাকেট খুলবো। দেখছেন এখানে একটা রেড সিম্বল দিয়েছে, লক অ্যান্ড আনলক। This is just a sticker, there's nothing else. তো আমরা এটা খুলবো। এটা উঠছে, এইবার আমি এটাকে ওপেন করলাম। খুলে খুব আকর্ষণীয় না? এটা হচ্ছে Lenovo ব্র্যান্ড। এটা Lenovo। This is a black one, but look at this steel, very smooth, and একদম কোনো রকম ক্র্যাশ পড়া যাবে না। ওকে, কারণ এটা একদিকে তো ব্যাক সাইড এই যেখানে ব্যাটারি ঢুকাইতে হবে চালু করার জন্য, খুব ইজি ঢুকানো, জাস্ট প্রেস করতে হবে, ঠিক আছে, জাস্ট স্লাইড করতে হবে। এটা খুব একটা কঠিন কিছু না। হ্যাঁ, আরেকটা সিস্টেম আছে যে উপরের দিকে এটা নিচে নামা দিলে এটা লকড হয়ে গেছে। অনেক স্মুথ, তাই না? হ্যাঁ, কিন্তু স্ক্রিনটা একটু ছোট, এটা মানতেছি। এটা স্ক্রিনটা হচ্ছে 15 ইঞ্চ মনে হয়। Look at the keyboard, it's amazing. Can you believe that? I don't know what's the button, the red button is this. What's this gonna be work? And for the mouse pad, look at this. There is another button in the middle. I don't know what this is for. And another sticker, Intel Core i3. Yeah, I think it's good, right? But I'm not gonna using too much on the keyboard because I'm gonna add another keyboard, and the mouse pad it doesn't work as much as computer, right? So I have to buy the mouse and the keyboard separately, and then I'm gonna work on my Photoshop, my other software like Premiere Pro, After Effects, and my video editing softwares, right? Yeah, and it's gonna be cool like when I do like live videos and my Instagram post, right? Oh my god, look at this Lenovo. It says Lenovo, right? Yeah, basically whatever brand you buy it's gonna show that their brand, the logo Lenovo. How cool it is, right? Yeah. It is still showing the Lenovo sign. Oh my god, why it's taking too long? Turn on, yeah, be cool. My viewers are waiting, right? Turn on, be quick. Oh, now after the long time, now it's coming for the settings. Look at this. Now choose English, United States, click yes, Just a moment. Again. Oh, look at this. These symbols look
Hi
like the
there.
Cortia.
I'm Cortana, and I'm
Yeah,
Ainal.
see? I know before
A little sign
her.
in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have
Wi-Fi
your
bear,
PC
I do
ready
not
for
like
all you
you.
plan
I
to
do
do.
never likes you.
You can use your
Cortia.
voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, you can just mute your PC.
Just stay quiet.
If you need an assistive screen reader,
I don't need you.
press the Windows, Control,
I'm better
and
than
Enter
you.
keys at the same time to enable narrator.
Shut up yourself.
Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Enough intro. I need more intro. Again, just a moment.
Your region is set to United States.
Yeah,
Is that
United
right?
States. Yes. Again, just a moment.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes. Why you have to ask
Do you
me?
also type
You
with
should know
another keyboard
better than
layout?
me. Yeah, skip. I don't need that extra stuff.
Now let's get you connected to a network.
Again, just a moment. So I put the username and put
Hey,
the
look,
password.
that's me,
Now-
Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
No. You don't need to do anything.
These
I'm
are the
gonna do
settings
by
Microsoft
myself.
recommends. Go ahead and review them and select Accept when you're ready.
Yeah. Again, just a moment.
Okay, that's the last step. Almost done now. We
Almost
just
done
need
now.
to get a few more things polished up for you,
Let's-
and Windows will be
let's
all
be
yours.
quick.
Looking forward to
I
helping
can't
out.
wait to see my other work. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Thank you. We're getting everything ready for you. Things might take several minutes. Okay. But this not a minute. It took an hour to done this. Do not turn off the spacer. I'm not. I'm turning on. Oh, look at this logo, right? This I did not think this one's so cool for me because I don't like those stuffs. But look at the name, Lenovo Think. Yeah. Charge is 0.5%, so that it doesn't matter. And I have to connect to the internet to download all the stuffs, and I have to install so many software like my Photoshop work and Premiere for After Effects and all of that. And so before showing my other stuff, let's show you the configuration. I know it's blurry, so I have to speak. It's Windows 10 Pro. The processor is Intel R Core i3. CPU is 240 Hz, and the memory is 4 GB. The RAM, and it's 64-bit operating system. No pen touch or available for this display. Okay, that's fine. Okay guys, so thank you for watching my videos. This is my first video about unboxing stuff, and the first one is my Thinkpad Lenovo laptop. This cost $500. The link in the description to watch the full configuration. If you want to buy it, you can go on. Should you subscribe to my channel and watch all other videos. It's so cool, and future we are gonna try to make more cool videos, right? And I came on camera and also the unboxing thing, but later on I'll keep making my videos more interesting. And please comment comment, right, what kind of video you want to see me in future, like maybe prank videos, maybe fashion videos, or maybe a vlog, maybe a winter season, maybe you want to know more about me, right, or you want to see how I edit my photos, how I make YouTube channel, what are the things you need to know. Anything you can ask in my comment. It's in future I'm gonna make the video, right? Okay. So I can see that my camera is like, but it's very hot right now, so I mean I have very less charge, so I have to keep the charge. And okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching my videos.